Okay, welcome back to the channel everyone. Nature video. 3 kookaburras. Really nice bird of the Australian bush. They're actually oversized kingfishers, but they don't catch fish really. They focus on small rodents, lizards, snakes. So yeah, quite an interesting bird. They hang out in these family groups, and today's a very cold day in Canberra, so there's not much on offer for them to eat, so they're just chilling out in the tree. But yeah, really nice bird, always nice to see them. Okay, God bless you everyone. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.